Hello everyone, it's been almost a month since Lily moved in with me. Lily is a cute girl. I never thought there was such a lovely monkey. Not only does she bring stone, but she also cares for everyone. Less than 7 months old, she already knows how to afford everything around her. I always surprised by her action. There are times when Lily a bit naughty, but that is the innocence of a child. I always feel happy for Lily's innocence. Thank God for bringing her. Lily, sit here and wait to see me. Lily, can you have me a tomato?
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Lily. I need a sock. Can you help me? Well done, Lily. Lily, you should cloud it. Lily, come here. Sit here, please. Would you like to eat salad? Lily. Do you want to eat? Lily, can you try? How do you eat that? Yummy, right? It looks delicious. Lily, it looks delicious. Lily, this is for me. Now I will make for you. Are you okay? Lily, look delicious, right? Let's enjoy the meal. Lily, it's good delicious. Enjoy the meal. It's lovely, Lily. Short good. Lily, eat a cucumber like me. Lily, you should eat vegetable. It's good for your health. Let's eat. So good. Lily, let's drink with your mouth. Are you full? It's okay. Lily, you say goodbye. Lily, you say goodbye. Stand up, stand up. You say goodbye. Goodbye.